won 3 festival competition already, which is Bam Bam. I think it's Sweet and Dandy. And Pumps and Pride.
People, welcome back to Yard and Abroad TV. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, like, comment, share, and subscribe. As I said, if you're not familiar with this channel, we talk about issues in Jamaica, the Caribbean, and the whole world, people. Wagwan people, wagwan, welcome back to my channel. I want to thank each and every one of you guys for liking, commenting, and subscribing to my channel, people. Big up in yourself, I truly appreciate it, people. So people, we got some sad news coming out of Jamaica this morning, people. Very, very, very sad news. As reggae singer Frederick Toots Hibbert has died. He was 77 years old. He died at the University Hospital of the West Indies in St. Andrew Friday, where he had been hospitalized for more than a week, people. So he has passed away, people. This is sad news coming out of Jamaica. Before his passing, people, his publicist said Toots is fighting for his life and his family is asking for prayers. It was revealed on Monday that the singer was awaiting results from a coronavirus test after displaying symptoms. The result is still pending, the publicist said, but admitted that the Bam Bam singer was showing all the signs of the virus. So them not really know if he had the virus or not, because them still not get the result back as yet. And them say members of the artist's inner circle have self-quarantined and have taken COVID-19 tests as well. If people don't know, Toots is a 3-time winner of the Jamaica Festival Song Competition and was one of the 10 finalists for 2020 and spoke with pride in an interview conducted in August about his entry, Rise Up Jamaican. He said he was pleased that he was able to contribute to the revitalization of the competition. It was less than a week ago that the prolific hitmaker, who has been in the business for close to 6 decades, people, released his latest album, Got to Be Tough, on the Trojan Jamaican label. Toots is one of the most toured artists out of Jamaica and is known for his hours-long sets on stages across the globe. He has been consistently touring with his band, the Maytals, since the early 1970s, when his landmark album, Funky Kingston, made him a global superstar, opening for groups such as The Who and the Eagles. Toots and the Maytals won the Grammy Award for Best Reggae Album in 2005 and was awarded an Order of Distinction from the Jamaican government in 2012. So people, yeah man, this is sad news. We know that he's been in the hospital for a while, but we never knew this was gonna be the outcome, people. Jano. And people in Jamaica are starting to show their respect to the iconic reggae singer. Andrew Holness said, "Today I mourn with all my Jamaicans as we woke up to news of the passing of our very own legendary reggae singer Frederick Toots Hibbert from the iconic band Toots and the Maytals." Toots died at the University Hospital of the West Indies in St. Andrew on Friday evening. Andrew Holness goes on to say, over the years, Toots has added significant value to brand Jamaica, and many of us will remember him as one of Jamaica's best musical talents. I extend my deepest condolence to his family, loved ones, and friends, and to the many people who loved and supported him and his music, both in Jamaica and around the world. That's what Andrew Holness had to say. Agent Sasko, aka Assassin, said, "Icon, pioneer, legend, Toots, thank you for sharing your gift with the world. One of my most memorable experiences was getting the chance to ask you how you managed to project your voice, very distinct voice, so effortlessly with the microphone held casually about waist height. That list is now a main feature of my performance. Thank you, R.I.P. Prayers for your family. Mavado went on to say, rest in peace, Father Toots. Legendary people. Like, may I tell you, it's a legendary man. He does legendary performance, people. May I tell you, it's just sad, very, very sad day in Jamaica and reggae music. Very sad day, people. I just want to, take the time and send my condolences to the family. And, I hope them get through this difficult time. Not gonna lie. Manners and respect, people.